Oh, what's up? I'm back. I guess I started a little too late. It's raining right now. I was supposed to be saving my energy just in case the power go out. So y'all looking at a live stream right now. But if it's already previously recorded, you're not looking at a live stream. You know, it's on. I'm doing this from Facebook Live. Okay, raining hard out here. You see? Yep. And the hurricane ain't hit yet. You know. Maybe it's gonna pass us or whatever, pass through us, and we probably won't feel a thing. I don't know. We don't know yet. Supposed to be here like at 7 o'clock, as far as I know, evening time, I guess. I must say I cannot imagine having detention until 8 o'clock at night. Cruel punishment. Okay, never mind. That's not about school. Okay, yeah, the the kids is not going to school today. Yep. Uh huh. So it's raining extra hard. Look at downtown. Okay. All right. So raining extra hard out here. You know. What a rainy day. You know. A beautiful rainy day as far as that. You know. All right. Yes, indeed. What a weather out here, you know. So I love rainy days, but I don't like hurricanes because yep, hurricanes is dangerous, you know. But I rather put up with hurricanes than anything else, you know. Like mudslides, I can't deal with mudslides, earthquakes, wildfires, twisters, you name it. Is is a twister and a and a tornado the same thing? I wonder. I wonder that, you know. So so uh so anyway, people are parked on higher grounds and stuff like that, on neutral grounds and stuff. Not only that, people park their cars uh 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 on higher grounds and probably on bridges and stuff, you know, just in case the pumps don't be right, you know. What a storm, you know. Well, I would say not a soul out here, you know. Well, not a soul walking. Well, there's somebody over there on a bike. We're not going. We can't capture that person. You know. I spoke too soon. Again, I spoke too soon. You know. I definitely spoke too soon. You know. Cause I say not a soul out here, and there's somebody riding a bike. You know. This is a serious storm. You know. Yep. But I think the buses stopped running. Look right there. The water pulling out there, and water pouring right there too. Okay. Yes, indeed. As y'all watching this rain on Facebook and eventually on YouTube, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. You know. Uh huh. It is some bad weather or whatever. Beautiful weather, bad weather, you name it. So brace yourselves for this storm, you know. So and election day today Wednesday. Oh man, the wind start to blow. Election day. All right, today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. About 6 days away. So who y'all gonna vote for? Donald Trump or Joe Biden? Well, who knows? You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. So if this video be uploaded on YouTube after election day, don't comment and say election is over. Okay. All right. That's if this video ever be uploaded on YouTube after election day or around Christmas or whatever, you know. Well, it'll probably be New Year's by now, by then. It's probably New Year's by now that I uploaded this to YouTube already, you know. Well, I don't know when it is from now. Okay, I'm just speaking things into existence. If anybody watching this for the first time though, probably 2023 by now, you know. Alex Trebek will be retired from Jeopardy by then. Johnny Gilbert too. All right, look at that superstorm, I guess. Well, the name of this one is "It's Raining," and the hurricane not here yet. Okay, so that's all. Watching the rain with me. Okay. Yep. I love rainy days, but look at the clouds up there. Can't see the rain through the clouds or whatever. Because when I was a kid, looked like I was seeing rain leaking like a leak or whatever. I don't know what I was looking at as a kid. Okay, I don't know if I was 4, 5, 6, or 7 years old. Looked like I was seeing a leak in the clouds or whatever. So if y'all children is watching this, what y'all see in the sky? I'm talking about if you have kids watching this, you know. I don't know who watching my show, you know. I don't know who watching the Domino 7 show, Facebook Live, or eventually on YouTube or whatever, or already on YouTube or whatever. Okay, so I don't know who watching this though, you know. So what y'all see in the sky right there? Is it a leak or just clouds and rain falling from the sky? Well, you could you just see rain in the clouds. But because when I was a kid, I don't know what was wrong with my eyes because looked like I was seeing a leak or something. Like up here somewhere, you know? Like up here, you know? Okay? That's what I thought I seen in the clouds when I was a kid. All right? That's what I thought I seen, you know? Yeah, how it was with Katrina. Hurricane Rita, Hurricane Gustav, Hurricane Isaac. Okay. I think it was about 3 days without power that time. I just hope that don't be the case scenario, right? It says it's gonna be a fast moving storm. You know, it's raining before Zeta approaches. Okay, so I did this with Hurricane Sally, and Hurricane Laura, but we still had rain and stuff like that, Okay, so I must say, I think my mom would have been all right if she would have still been here, But she wouldn't allow me to do this show in 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 this kind of weather, you know. I don't think she would have let me do that, No, she wouldn't, ladies and gentlemen, So all right, I might as well stop this, okay, and go charge up this phone, and and, and I'll be back for any win results, okay. Bye.